Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad you're here. So I have another little fun project. It's really easy and quick, um, but I just want to share it with you. The link is down below for the Ko-fi shop, and it is free. But let me just show it to you. So it's a little cottage store. This one is called the Cottage Crafter. There's 4 different ones. I'll show them to you. And it's just a little book that you fold, but when you open it up, it has the inside of the store, which I just thought was kind of cute. And the pockets I made are also just part of the inside of the store. Some of it you can't see because the picture was bigger. So anyway, I put some of the inside of the store here, so it's a flip page. And then the back is the same as the front. And this is just a ribbon I added, and I did some heart punches and glued them together at the bottom and then at the top. And then there are tags that match the 4 stores in here, and then some just little pretty envelopes with some of the florals and different things. And this is another envelope, and I just put a scrap piece of paper in here. And then more envelopes and tags and the pocket. So, and like I said, it goes together really quick. It's cute just to add inside a journal or maybe to send as a little card to someone. But let me show you. So this is the yarn store. So, and then the 2 pockets and the inside flap. And then the next one is the Cottage Crafter, which is the one we did on, I just showed it to you. And this one is a little tea shop. And same thing, they all have the 1 flip page and 2 pockets. And then this, your 4 tags are right here, and then the 4 little just envelopes. And like I said, I made one a little pocket, but you can do whatever you want with them. And then, of course, a background page. So, oh, and then we have a bookstore, and we're going to put that one together on camera, so I didn't include it on screen. But so I'm just going to cut this apart, and just give me a minute. I'll go ahead and cut it, and then we'll come back and put it together. Okay, so I cut it apart. It really was very quick because it's just a couple of pieces. But so you're going to cut it and leave the 2 pieces together, because all you have to do is fold. And I did print this double-sided. And then just fold it. And you can use your scoreboard if you want, or just fold. And I'm just gonna go ahead and push down. I used 110-pound cardstock for this. So then you just have your little card or folio, whatever you want to call it. And then I cut this out, and there is a tab here. So what you want to do is you're just going to miter the corner right where it shows. And then you want to just fold right here, and you can use your scoreboard if you want, or you can just press down. And then I'm just gluing this right inside. So you have your outside of your bookshop and then the interior. So I'm using art glitter glue, and I'm just going to put glue on this tab right here. And add it. And I made this smaller than the book, so it won't come out on the top, the bottom, or the sides. And then since the background page is printed together, you can't even hardly, well, you can see it, but not really great. I mean, it's good. So the tab is hidden. And then you have your 2 pockets, and I was just putting one here and one here, but you can put them anywhere you want. And it might be a drop long for the middle piece, so if you want to trim it down. But I am just going to put glue on the 2 sides and the bottom. And you can line it up with the bottom, but I'm doing it lined up with my flip page, but it really doesn't matter. I think this one I did, yeah, this one I did almost at the bottom. It doesn't matter. And let's make sure I get this the right side up and just put glue, same thing on either side or both sides and the bottom. And put your pocket in. And then you can cut out whatever tags you want. Like I said, there's 4 of them, and they're of each of the stores. And then the envelopes, I'm just using it from the ones I had cut out already. And then this one I glued, so I'm not going to move it over. But that's it. Now you have a really, and then I rounded the corners on this one, but you don't have to. It just depends on your preference. And then I just thought it was just a cute little flip folio, and I really kind of thought just having the inside of the store was something a little different, right? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and download it and make it, and pick whichever. Let me know which store you like the best. I mean, they're a little different. The Cottage Crafter has a single door where most of them have doubles, but they're really a lot the same look. But I don't know, just depending on what you like the best. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.